What are the EU AI Act compliance costs for SMEs? Have you ever wondered how much it really costs for small and medium-sized enterprises to comply with the European Union Artificial Intelligence Act? This is a topic that many businesses are curious about, especially those looking to implement artificial intelligence technologies. Let's break down the financial aspects involved. For small businesses with up to 50 employees and an annual turnover of around 10 million euros, the compliance costs can be quite high, particularly for those using high-risk artificial intelligence systems. The total costs for one high-risk artificial intelligence product could reach up to approximately 400,000 euros. This figure includes several key expenses that businesses need to consider. First, establishing a quality management system is essential. This can cost between 193,000 euros and 330,000 euros initially. After that, businesses should expect to spend about 71,000 euros each year to maintain this system. If a business does not already have a quality management system in place, this initial investment can be a significant financial burden. Next, conformity assessments are another major cost. These assessments can be expensive, with external evaluations potentially reaching up to 1 million euros. However, the European Union Artificial Intelligence Act aims to keep these fees proportional to the size and market presence of the business to help ease the financial burden on small and medium-sized enterprises. Additionally, businesses must produce and maintain technical documentation to ensure compliance with related legislation, such as the General Data Protection Regulation. Implementing human oversight mechanisms and monitoring risks associated with artificial intelligence systems also adds to the overall compliance costs. Fortunately, the European Union has included provisions in the Artificial Intelligence Act to help reduce these costs for small and medium-sized enterprises. For example, national conformity assessment fees must take into account the needs of small businesses and ranges proportional. Member states are encouraged to accept documentation in widely understood languages to help reduce translation expenses. Moreover, the European Union promotes the involvement of small and medium-sized enterprises in standard setting and governance. This ensures that their perspectives are considered, which may help tailor requirements to better fit their capacities. The European Union has also introduced initiatives like regulatory sandboxes, such as the European Union Sandbox for Artificial Intelligence Regulation, to assist small and medium-sized enterprises in testing their artificial intelligence systems in a controlled environment. These sandboxes provide access to tools, guidelines, and training, making compliance transitions smoother and less costly. It is important to note that these costs primarily apply to providers of high-risk artificial intelligence systems. Small and medium-sized enterprises deploying lower-risk artificial intelligence may face fewer obligations. Once a quality management system is established, costs for subsequent artificial intelligence products may decrease as well. In practical terms, small and medium-sized enterprises should assess whether their artificial intelligence systems fall under the high-risk category defined by the Artificial Intelligence Act. They should plan for initial investments in quality management and documentation systems if they do not already exist. Monitoring updates on national implementation plans and available European Union guidance can help optimize compliance strategies. Participating in regulatory sandboxes can also reduce costs and provide early compliance experience. Understanding these factors is essential for small and medium-sized enterprises to navigate the requirements of the European Union Artificial Intelligence Act effectively while managing their financial impacts.